The job market is on the cusp of a revolution, one that will be driven by the increasing capabilities of AI agents. These advanced algorithms are not only capable of performing tasks with precision and speed, but also have the ability to learn and adapt at an exponential rate. The result is a workforce that is becoming increasingly redundant, as machines take over tasks that were once the exclusive domain of humans. In this episode, we'll explore the unseen consequences of over-reliance on AI agents and what it means for our future. We'll examine the industries that are most at risk, the jobs that are being replaced, and the potential consequences for society as a whole. From healthcare to education, finance to transportation, no industry is immune to the effects of AI. And while some may argue that AI will create new job opportunities, the reality is that many of these roles will be focused on maintaining and upgrading the very machines that are replacing human workers. But what about the people who are being replaced? What about the millions of workers who are struggling to make ends meet, let alone compete with the speed and efficiency of AI? The truth is, the job apocalypse is not just a distant possibility. It's a looming reality that is already affecting millions of people around the world.
So, what exactly is driving this trend towards AI replacement? Is it the promise of increased efficiency and productivity? Or is it something more sinister? One of the primary drivers of AI adoption is the desire for cost savings. Companies are under pressure to reduce their overhead costs, and AI provides a way to do just that. By automating tasks and outsourcing them to machines, businesses can save millions of dollars in labor costs alone. But the cost savings come at a steep price. As machines take over jobs, workers are left without a source of income, and entire communities are left without a purpose. The consequences are far-reaching, from increased poverty and homelessness to social unrest and even violence.
The debate around AI and job replacement is heated, with some arguing that it's a necessary evil, while others see it as a catastrophic threat to human employment. But what about the experts? What do they think about the future of work? We spoke to a leading AI researcher who had this to say. The truth is, AI is not just a tool, it's a system, and systems have unintended consequences. We're not just talking about job replacement, we're talking about a fundamental shift in the way we live and work. But what about the people who are being replaced? What about the millions of workers who are struggling to make ends meet, let alone compete with the speed and efficiency of AI?
So, what does the future hold for human employment? Is it a bleak future of endless unemployment? Or is there a way to mitigate the effects of AI replacement? One potential solution is education. By focusing on skills that are complementary to AI, such as creativity, empathy, and critical thinking, we can create a workforce that is uniquely positioned to thrive in an AI-driven economy. Another potential solution is a universal basic income. By providing a safety net for workers who are being replaced, we can ensure that everyone has access to the resources they need to survive and thrive. But what about the industries that are being replaced? What about the jobs that are being lost?
So, what can you do to prepare for the job apocalypse? First, start learning new skills that are complementary to AI. From coding to data science, there are countless opportunities to upskill and reskill in an AI-driven economy. Second, consider a career in education. By teaching others the skills they need to thrive in an AI-driven economy, you can create a sustainable and fulfilling career. Third, get involved in your community. By supporting workers who are being replaced, you can help to mitigate the effects of AI replacement and create a more just and equitable society. And finally, spread the word. The more people who understand the risks and consequences of AI replacement, the more pressure there will be to create policies and solutions that prioritize human employment and well-being. So what do you think? Are you ready for the job apocalypse? Like and subscribe to our channel for more content on AI, jobs, and the future of work. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on the latest developments in AI and its impact on society. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.